is Mobile Merchant. Today I have an incredible new money-making application to share with you guys. And this money-making app has many different ways that you can earn points that you can then redeem for gift cards. And with those gift cards, you can go to different stores and buy whatever you want. But before I continue, if you want more awesome money-making videos showing you how to massively grow your income online, remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel. Okay, so the app I want to show you guys today is called Yasu Rewards, and this app is either going to be on Safari if you're using iOS, and it'll be an application on Google Play if you're using Android. Now, I'll put the link in the description below, so make sure you check that out. And now let me go through the different ways that you can earn points. Now, the main way that I want to show you guys first is to use a referral code, and you can see here you're going to get your own invitation ID. There's mine, and you can share it with your friends, and you're going to earn 25% for each of their completed tasks. So whatever they complete, you get 1/4 of the points that they earn. And if you want, you can put this code in the comments below, and wherever you want, just spread it around to your friends, and you can earn a lot of points that way. Now, before I show you guys the other ways of earning points, let me show you the different rewards you can get from this application. And you can see here, if you go to rewards, then you'll see that there are many different rewards you can earn. So the top rewards here are Google Play gift cards, and you can see they go from $10 all the way up to $100 in value. And there's also other types of gift cards too. So for example, you can get a PlayStation Network card, you can get a GameStop gift card, Nintendo eShop, Roblox, iTunes, and a whole bunch of others. So they do not have a limited stock, they have a wide selection, a wide variety. So if you have specific needs, if you aren't trying to get... Sorry. If you're trying to get a game or something, then all you have to do is just look for your specific gift card, and there you go. You're going to have a lot of options when you're trying to look for a reward. Now, those are the rewards, and you can see they have a very good selection. Now let me show you the different ways that you can earn points using this application. So obviously, let's just go down the line here. They have a whole list. First, you can do tasks, and it says here you have to complete fun, engaging, and simple tasks to earn while discovering new offers daily. So this is just your simple offer completion thing. So you can see here, for example, you can install these apps and earn points, and they have varying amounts of points. So for example, this Rabbit Jump will give you 500 points just for installing it, whereas some of the other ones are a bit lower, like this Amazon Blast is 12 points. You can see this eStory special deal, 497 points, but you have to sign up. So unfortunately, I wouldn't do this myself, since you have to pay in order to get the points. I'll do ones that are for free, and you can just keep on going down. And you can see some of these are locked, so I'm guessing they're not part of my geographical location. Maybe they're looking for another demographic. But yeah, so this is how you can get points through different tasks. Like I said, it's very straightforward. It's like many of the other apps I've shown you before, where you just have to download applications or sign up for different offers, and then they'll reward you the points after you finish signing up for those offers. Now, another way is very standard as well. It's surveys. It says you can complete fast, quick, and easy surveys to match you with instant rewards and offers. So if you click on that, then you can see here you're going to get many different surveys with many different point values. So for example, you want to get a LifeLock thing. Sign up for LifeLock, you can get 2,000 points. There's many other ones. You can do easy surveys for 300 points, and like I said, they vary in their value depending on how long it takes and if you need to invest money beforehand. So those are surveys. Another thing that you can do is to sign up, and this is where you just sign up for offers, as in like you give your email and your address or whatever and your name, and then they will give you points after you sign up for these offers. And also, they vary in value. Some of them are like 100, others are like 200, but it's also very straightforward and very similar to what you have seen in the past. Now, another way you can earn is to watch, and this is where you watch videos with different ads, of course, and when you do that, you can earn points that way. So unfortunately, they don't have watch offers in my country, so I guess they don't have it in the US right now. But if you are in a country that does have watch offers, then that's another option that you can do. And another way is to do the daily bonus, and this is where you log in daily for a new bonus, and the more you earn, the greater your odds are for winning a large bonus. So you just click there, and you can see here it has many different days on it, and each day you can open a new box, and when you open the box, you're going to get points. Now, I already opened my box, so you don't see me earning points right now, but that's another way that you can earn. Then there's also a 50% Friends Boost giveaway, as you can see right here. So let me go back to that, and it says here, participate in the giveaway promotion, and you can get extra points. So if you go there, you can see here it says until, October 7th, 2018, 3 members with the most completed offers, network offers count, will win 50% Friends Boost in their accounts for free. So you can get 50% of your friends' points instead of 25%, so you double your earnings from your referrals, and that's really nice. You can see here, get apps for free is another way you can earn points. Obviously, you just download apps and you earn points. You can share a story on Facebook, and you can also earn some more points in this way. And you get 50 points for doing that. You can tweet on Twitter, and you also earn points from there, another 50 points. And yeah, you can see here you can like them, and that's another 100 points. Very, very easy, just like them on Facebook. You can follow them on Twitter, and another easy 100 points. So as you can see, they have a very wide selection of ways that you can earn points using the application. It's not very limited. They have a multitude of ways, and if you get bored with one, or you can't complete one, or you finished all the offers in one, you can go on to the next, and you can earn even more points. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this app. It's very simple, but it's also very complex at the same time, and I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. It's very easy to do. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Bold Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximizing your income online and at home.